Hi, this is Bev from Adventure Seeking. Today's video is of my rig the Falcon, which is a 2020 Kia Sportage or Sportage. I've been camping in it for about a year and a couple months, and I figured this would be a beautiful place to do it. Obviously, I'm at Wildcat Mountain, right off of Route 16. I don't even know the town, but I know we're in the White Mountains because of that sign. I mean, we're undercover now, but we have plenty of fog. Washington would be right there, probably. I know you can't see me pointing, but right there. But here is my rig. I'll show you, I guess, door by door how I do things. This is my entrance, which is the the driver door. My entrance to the car, whether or not I'm camping or not, obviously. I just have regular car stuff. I keep my bug net here because I like to keep it very handy, but usually I use my shoes of the day are here. These are soaking wet because I went on a hike and I actually put my feet in the water and it felt pretty good. But yeah, this is just a regular car. This is a special cover that I get over the seats because they were new. And also when I crawl in and out of the back, I use the seat. They get dirty, so there you go. I have these screens that are like socks you put over the inside of the door, like so. It stops the bugs that come in. Now I sort of use this as I use this side as the bathroom because there's my bucket to do my business, should we say. So I usually keep some hand sanitizer and these are biodegradable bags for the business. And I also keep my hiking gear on this side. This is my pack. This was my sports bra. My pack and my sticks are here, and here's the garbage usually, so because like in the middle of the night you don't want to be searching for it, we'll just say. I hang a towel here for dishes or when I get wet when I'm changing. I have a ridge line on the top of my being held by the grab bars to hang stuff while I'm sleeping, much like a lantern, or sometimes I hang wet stuff because I usually wash myself with this cloth and it's very quick drying. But I hang it there if it's not too late in the day. I also have a little hammock up here to hold gear. Right now it's holding my puffy, a solar lantern, some lights, twinkle lights, a hat, and my toilet paper. Usually my laundry bag is up there too, but we have a full laundry bag and it's kind of stuffed up there, so it doesn't really fit because it's been a whole weekend. This is the end. This is Tuesday after Memorial Day. Way down in here too, I also have a solar generator. It's a Blue Yeti. It's a 500. I don't want to pull it out, but I usually keep my Yeti stuck in between there because it's easy to get to when you need to plug stuff in. And right behind it is actually the outlet for the car, so if I need to charge it or anything, there it is, I can put it in there. But usually my fridge is in the front seat where my teddy bear is, but it's good. In this whole bag I keep all my my cords in and my electronics. I figured if you keep it all in one place it'll be easy to find. So that's what's in this bag. And I stick it on top. And there it goes, it stays. I have one, obviously a cord for everything that you have. So it's good. Okay, so that's one to the next door. Now the back hatch is usually my kitchen because I don't cook inside without the doors open. So this is hard to explain, but I usually keep my paper towels here. This is my rug that I keep when I have to keep my feet clean. Food is usually kept in one of these bins, but I actually upgraded it and put it in one of these drawers. So I have all my food for the week or my trip in here. I think I just kept it that way because of what's normally in there. I just kept it that way. Sometimes, and I have a cloth to do my dishes. I bought donuts, hooray! But up here is kind of like it's like a dashboard or a bedside table. I usually leave a cup and my toothbrush, and my phone usually ends up being here. And when I watch TV, I lay it on the back seat, like right here. And I watch TV. When I download my Netflix, here's my kitchen. It's just regular kitchen stuff. The stove, a cup, a bowl, knives, and of course coffee. And down here is something that I like to have, but I really don't really use this. I call it my utility closet because it's utility. It has a fan that connects to my solar generator, an extra pillow, you know, some books to read, some batteries, and I usually take a lantern and put it in there too. But I think I have it in my little hammock. See, it's not in its regular home. These are my health and beauty aids, I call it. So I have like knives and lighters in here, and these little clips that I use on the Ridgeline when I want to use them for. I also have a clothesline, but more clips are in this little bag. Oh, I have this little guy. It's so cute. You turn it on and you get like a bit of a, what do we say, a candle. This, of course, deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, chapstick, floss. And down here I put like medicines that I use, some first aid stuff. And oh my gosh, these earplugs help me so much when you sleep at a park and ride. I have this water here for now because I was cooking this morning, and my new thing is I added this citronella. Oh my goodness, I added this citronella candle. I used it first for this trip and it worked. Oh my god, the mosquitoes hated it. I was able to use it outside in an open area, so it didn't really drive me nuts. And it might be because it says white pine scent. I'm not sure. Look, we got some bugs in the candle now. That's okay. I'm good with that. Underneath here, I keep my camp chair, my table, my aluminum table with flats. I have an extra hiking stick. I think I also have, these are aluminum poles, because I also have a tarp that's actually behind this thing. A tarp that I could use to it as an awning. I don't think I have anything else under there. Oop, we a shovel. We all know what that's for. In case I'm in the woods somewhere. Back here, I in my bucket I keep wood pellets. So that's what I use to make my bathroom a little better, should we say. So you're not just peeing in a bucket. So the wood pellets absorb. I'm finding this is working well. I used to leave my sleeping bag out, but when I travel, I've been stuffing it in the stuff sack that came with it. I have my sleeping bag in here, my 2 pillows, and my Rumple blanket that I absolutely love. So that's what's in there. That's a food bag that I was using because this weekend I was supposed to go on a thru hike, so I'm just eating my thru hike food. This is just an extra bag. I actually hit up the grocery store before I left, and I bought some apples for the trip. So that's good. That's the hatch. Over here, kind of a bit of a mess. I usually don't open this door at all, so it's kind of like a barricade. I put my door Reflectix here. I Reflectix on one side, and I actually sewed on felt. They're getting kind of shambly. I might actually upgrade to the WeatherTech, but this works for now. Here's my traveling laundry bag that's usually up here. I have an extra light up here. So, because this is where I sleep, it's a 3-inch foam mattress, and I just covered it with a sleeping bag liner. Under here, I keep an extra trash bag. It's usually more over here though. I use it in case stuff gets wet, and I also have a pop-up, so when you have to change. I have a fan that blows on me at night. It's a USB chargeable fan. I find that this works well because it has direction and it has actually 3 speeds, so it's good. I keep a chopstick here because, again, this is also a bedside table. These are down booties, and this is these are clips that I use to put up my awning that I was talking about with the tarp. Sometimes I even clip a garbage bag to my car because they got magnets on it, and you just magnet it to the side. This one also has a sock on it, and I have these rain guards. So when I sleep, I open it up just a crack so it's even with the rain guard, so it keeps the bugs out. Don't mind the teddy bear, he's my camping buddy. In here, this is kind of like my catch-all. I have wipes, I have car wipes, I have maps, maps of the White Mountain, maps of the road. I have a table so I can eat with my steering wheel. Great find. This is my agenda for the weekend. I usually stick it in here in case, like this weekend, I didn't have service, so I had regular paper maps. I have a hat, some gloves, of course, I have duct tape in here. This is the stuff that I need to wax my car that I never did. But yeah, you know, I got napkins in here. I have my spot tracker. I just stick a lot of stuff in here I don't want to lose, but it's just stuff that doesn't really have a home. In here I keep my water bucket, and all my water is down there. For this trip I brought 4 gallons because the extra gallon is in the back, and 2 liters. So I've gone through the liters. I use these smart water bottles that comes out when I hike because they actually weigh less than the Nalgene. So I have one of those, and I actually have another one stuffed in right over here, or not. Either way, I have another one somewhere floating in this car, and I also have a 3rd liter that I took yesterday on a hike filled with salts. So that's what I got. So thanks for watching my video. Just don't forget to like and subscribe. You can see more of my adventures that are great. I absolutely wished it wasn't raining, which it currently is now. But again, where I'm at Wildcat, I've skied here, but I figured this was a pretty good place where the traffic noise wouldn't be so high and stuff. And my car is very dirty. When you go down forest roads, this is what happens. Anyway, I think the rain will help me clean it. But thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching.